Keywords are predefined, reserved identifiers that have special meanings to the compiler and cannot be used as variable or method names unless prefixed with @. They define the structure and behavior of code, such as class, public, and return. Contextual keywords provide specific meanings in certain contexts, but are not reserved words in C#. Some contextual keywords, such as partial and where, have special meanings in multiple contexts.